Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I've heard some rumblings in the streets that there's a possible dupe out there. I'm kind of late to this rumor, but we gonna test it out because y'all know I love a good dupe over here on my channel. So if you guys want to know what that is and see if it actually does compare, then let's go. So I'm sure you all know what this is. If you don't, this is the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. This retails for $30 for 1.52 ounces. What do they say about this? An award-winning hydrating makeup gripping gel primer that is formulated with hemp-derived cannabis seed extract and blue agave extract for normal and dry skin. Okay, well, I love it. I have oily skin. And this is supposedly cheaper, but works just as well. This is from NYX Professional Makeup. This retails for $17. I didn't say what it is. This is their Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. I just took my energy pill, okay? This retails for $17 for 1.41 ounces. What do they say about this? Play it cool with NYX Professional Makeup Bear With Me Hydrating Jelly Primer. This water-based gel primer hydrates the complexion and softens the appearance of pores for a bright, fresh-looking glow. The NYX Professional Makeup First Primer that provides hydration for up to 8 hours while also softening the appearance of pores. This water-based formula creates an even base for smooth makeup application to help you achieve the ultimate fresh face, no makeup look, infused with skin-loving ingredients like you. Why do I feel like this description is saying the same thing over and over again? This gripping primer has a jelly texture to create a glass-like finish and grips your makeup for ultimate long wear. The amazing jelly texture bounces back into place no matter how much you scoop it out, featuring a vegan form. Okay, you know what? Let's just get into it because that was a whole lot of words and I swear I was reading the same things over and over again. I swear I'm not the only one who kept hearing like soften and fine lines over and over again. But anyway, I'm gonna put the original on this side of my, well, not the original, you guys know what I mean. The product that's supposedly being duped on my right side of the face. I'm gonna keep it real simple with makeup today because, listen, your girl is drained, all right? She's tired. She wasn't feeling eyeshadow. She wasn't feeling anything today, all right? But you gotta do what you gotta do. Again, why I had to take the energy pill. I should have just read the side of the box. Extends the wear of makeup, blurs the appearance of pores, non-sticky, lightweight feels, skin feels refreshed, blends seamless. The box is more diverse than the description on it. Oh, I didn't open this. Come on. So this is what it looks like, and then open. Oh, it really it looks like Jello. That's what it looks like when you open it up. Oh, it feels like Jello. Oh, jelly primer. Well, that makes sense, doesn't it? Okay, that's interesting. A little goes a long way too. Trying to see if it has the same like sticky vibe that Hydro Grip has after you start spreading it on your face. It doesn't. But it's supposedly a gripper too. Once it like dries, there's a slight stick feel to it, but Hydro Grip is still sticky, and I put that on before I put this one on. Foundation. I'm just going to quickly do the rest of my face. Again, keeping it real simple today. Yeah, I was not playing, y'all, when I said real simple. This is gonna be my face for the day. I'm gonna check in. Yeah, I'm gonna do a check-in midday and then come back and tell y'all how I'm feeling later on tonight. But listen, I don't know about y'all, but I already see something. But again, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait till the end of the video. See how it holds up. Almost dropped my phone. So it's 5 p.m. I know it's kind of late to do a check-in, but I still wanted to do one, I guess, you know, like natural type of lighting. This is my face. Is looking like. This is the Milk side. This is the NYX side. I mean, granted, remember I'm standing in front of a window. I feel like I low-key look like I could say I just finished doing makeup a couple minutes ago, and you could low-key believe me. I mean, excuse me. So I am back. It is 6:36. This is my face is looking like. And I tell y'all, this might be the dupest of all dupes that I've tried here on my channel because I feel like my face looks like the exact same on both sides. Now, what they say about these two products? For Hydro Grip, award-winning hydrating and makeup gripping gel primer for normal dry skin. fine lines and wrinkles, dryness, okay. And then the jelly primer, they don't told us about 18,000 times, but that one does. Water-based gel primer hydrates the complexion and softens the, you know what, actually no, we don't have to do it again because it says it on the side of the box. Extends the wear of makeup, blurs the appearance of pores, non-sticky, lightweight feels, skin feels refreshed, blends seamlessly. So basically they're both supposed to, you know, hydrate your face. They're both supposed to be makeup grippers. They're both supposed to combat fine lines and wrinkles. And they both do that. They both do that. Funny, because I feel like I had mentioned before that the jelly primer, it didn't feel sticky like the Hydro Grip one does. And then, you know, like at the end, like after it dried down, like you could feel a little tackiness maybe for that one. So funny it says that it's not supposed to be sticky. Like it really isn't, but like once it dries down, you can feel a little, you know, it's a little stick there. But even the Hydro Grip one, even though it does kind of have like a more sticky feel to it, nothing that you can't work with on your face, at least in my opinion. They're both makeup. This is why I don't film at night. They're both makeup grippers. You know, I feel like both of them, once you put makeup down on them, your makeup isn't really going anywhere. It's not sliding, it's not moving, you know, throughout the day. Hydrating, yeah, I would say they're both hydrating products. There are some products out there sometimes like you can feel it adding hydration to your face, and then other ones like you just feel your face not feeling dry by the end of the day. This is one of those, you know, like I don't feel anything, but like you also kind of feel your face kind of feels fresh, even though I put makeup on hours ago. I don't even know what time I left for the day. Remember when I came back for the check-in, I was just kind of like, I low-key feel like, you know, I could say I just did my makeup like 5 minutes ago, and you'd be like, oh, okay, I believe you. So they're both hydrators, fine lines, wrinkles type thing. You guys know, like that's usually this area right here that I'm concerned with, but I'm really not. Like I've just, okay, it is what it is. It's gonna look how it wants to look. But you know, they're not emphasized. You know, they're there, like you're gonna know they're there because it exists on your face. But there are some products out there that, you know, do the opposite and actually emphasize your lines and wrinkles. They don't do that. But you know, like I still have them on my face. I'm trying to think. What else did I say? Blurs the appearance of pores, non-sticky, lightweight. They're both, you know, lightweight. I kind of like how this jelly one felt. Like, remember I was like, oh, it looks like Jello, and then it was like jelly primer Shanine. Where this one, it really is more like gel type of feel. But other than that, like, I don't see much difference between these two things besides the price. Okay, was it $17 for 1.4 something ounces compared to $30 for 1.5. I honestly feel like the difference between these two things is the price. Honestly, I will say, I keep going back and forth, but I feel like I like this, like this little triangle area on this side a little bit more than I do this one. I keep going back and forth because I'm like, do I, or is it my eyes seeing something? Is it playing tricks on me? Do they actually look different? Or, you know, are you just like looking for a difference? But other than that, literally, I feel like if you like Hydro Grip, you're going to like the jelly primer. I don't see much difference. Maybe you guys will. I'm sure you'll let me know in the comments down below if you do. But I like both of these things, honestly. Like I like both of them. I like gripping type of primers in general, so I'm gonna be here for it. I like hydrating primers because you guys know, even though I have oily skin, I like a nice balance of, you know, natural satin, soft matte, dewy finishes with everything else that I use. So like primer is, if I'm gonna use like matte type of products, it's usually in either primer or powder that I'm gonna do that. Sometimes usually powder. But I feel like with gripping type of primers, they kind of help me out a little bit more than like mattifying primers, because like that'll help the makeup stay in place there. So then I can just use a powder on top of everything else that will, you know, combat the oils. It's a weird formula, but it's one that I've found lately has been working for me. So I feel like both of the products do what I need them to do and the way I need them to do it for how I use them. So I'm really sitting here like, I'm not sure what to tell y'all, because if you're asking me if it's a dupe, I would say it's a dupe. This is my face would look like if I blotted both sides of my face. And keep in mind, I'm wearing the Beauty Blender foundation, which is a natural finish foundation. Like, imagine if I had the NARS Soft Matte or the Urban Decay Stay Naked, even the Fenty Pro Filter, you know, a more mattifying foundation on top of this. Like, that would be chef's kiss, because even right now, like, it's doing what my face in general is doing what it has to do on oil control. So imagine this under, you know, something even more mattifying for someone who has oily skin. So that is it for this video. I hope I was able to bring you guys a dupe if you were looking for one. Either way, you know, in either direction. If you were looking for a dupe, I hope I was able to bring you one. If you've tried both, let me know if you like one over the other. If you've only tried one, let me know if you like it, what you like about it. If you don't, what you don't like. All of that down below. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn on notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.